How to start crypto staking on Binance. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to start crypto staking on Binance. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open Binance.com and you will get on this platform right here. Binance is world's leading crypto platform where you can buy, sell, and trade on crypto. It allows you to buy crypto. It has its own marketplace. We have trading options and derivatives as well. Today, we will be focusing on how to stake crypto using Binance.com. So let's get started. First, what you guys will do is you will sign up for Binance if you do not have an account, or you can simply log in. To register with Binance, it's actually really easy. You can sign up with your phone number or email address, or you can get started with your Google account or your Apple. So once you get a Binance account, make sure to verify your identity to use all of the different features and tools. And it allows you to actually buy, sell, and trade if you have verified your identity. So make sure you do that. Once you verify your identity and log into your Binance, you will get the option of buy crypto, where we have bank deposit, cash balance, P2P. In markets, you will get the marketplace, of course. In trade, we have Binance Convert, spot trading, margin. Then we have strategy, swap farming, Binance. In derivatives, you have Binance Futures, leverage token, and more. And then we have Earn, where we have liquidity. And this is where you will get the staking option in the Earn section. Then we have Binance and NFT marketplace. To get to the staking, go to Earn and then click on staking. You can directly go to binance.com/staking as well, and you will get here. We have two types of staking available on Binance: locked staking and DeFi. So now you can select the one you want to go for. Let's check out the locked staking first. First, we have locked staking, and then we have to search for a coin or choose a coin of our choice. When it comes to the coins, we have all of the coins available. There are more than 100 locked staking coins. You can see right here, we have RAI, FTM, then there are famous ones as well: Solana, Sushi, Near. So you can just select any of the coin from here, any of the token. It will also show you the estimated APR. You can see for this one is 49.8%, 9.89%. So this is going to be the estimated APR for the token given. Then we have a duration where we have 30, 60, and 120 days. So first you will select the duration, and then it will, tell you the estimated APR. Let's say I go with 120, then I will get 49%. With 60, 7.5, and then with 30, we have 5.95. This is for this token right here. Before we continue with the video, I just want to clarify, this video is not a financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto and doing staking involves high degree of risk, or whether you can afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand everything and you truly understand crypto, then you can get started. This is going to be a platform tutorial for Binance. I am showing you how to use Binance for staking. Now let's continue. You can see we have all of the coins here, tokens, and then we have minimum locked amount. So this is the minimum locked amount, and it varies for each token given. And then we have the stake now option. If you have verified your identity and if you're logged in, you will just click on this option and it will take you to the window where you can stake with your Binance account. So it's actually really easy to do. Then we have another type of staking on Binance, which is the DeFi one. Also, you can search for any of the coins you want from here. It saves time. And then we also have like display available only and match my assets. So let's say that I have some assets and I want to just match and look for tokens that match my assets, the ones that I can buy. So I can filter my search, or I can also go with display available only. Let's switch to DeFi staking and let me show you. So you can see risk warning: Binance service offers only the best DeFi mining projects. So there is a warning available for us. Again, this is not a financial advice. That's what I'm saying. And do not go for a coin just you saw here or anything like that. Make sure you truly understand everything, and then you can get started with Binance. If you understand staking and you open an account in Binance, then it will help you a lot with all of the tools and all of the different features. So that's what I'm showing you. Like, if you understand staking and you get to Binance, these are the options that you will be getting. DeFi staking. Again, the tokens are given here. You can also check their label. Estimate APR is given here. Duration, flexible lock, or you want to go with a fixed date. We have like 120 or 60. Minimum locked amount. What is going to be the minimum amount that you can lock with a certain token or with a certain coin? So that's going to be this. And then we have again stake now option. You can also, filter your search with available only, and it will get rid of the different coins that are not available or token, and it helps you save time, and you can just go through the ones that are available right now. So that is how the DeFi staking works. It's quite similar to the locked staking. Then you will again click on stake now, and it will take you to the main window where you can actually enter the amount and start staking. So this is how the Binance staking works, and you can get started really easily. That's what the tutorial is about. You can register yourself with Binance very easily with just your Google account, or you can also use your phone number. So this is how you can stake crypto using Binance. There are other options available. Then there are other options as well when it comes to staking and investment on Binance. So there is a dual investment, auto investment option as well. When it comes to the trading on Binance, we have different types of trading. Spot trading is available, margin trading, P2P, strategy, and swap farming. So an important thing that I would like to show you guys is how to buy crypto with Binance. So it's actually really easy, and the bank deposit is the way to go, I would say, because it's really easy and you can deposit and you can actually buy crypto with just your own currency with your bank account. So you will just enter and select the currency here. Let's go with maybe euros, and then you will enter the deposit like recommended or with other methods. The recommended method is going to be one of the ways, and it's actually really easy. You can buy crypto with your card once you're signed up for Binance. So Binance is all in one platform that gives you a lot of different options. The exchange is available here too, where you can exchange between different blockchains, different tokens, and swap tokens really easily. In earn, again, if I take you back to the staking, what happens on Binance is why you should choose Binance for staking. It's because of the highest return. On Binance, if you invest and if you stake, you will be getting the potential highest returns. Again, this is just an estimate for the platform, and this video is not a financial advice, and it's not 100% sure that what's going to happen. But if you're looking for all-in-one platform, a pretty good secure platform with all of the coins that you look for, very easy methods with good, estimated APRs, durations, and flexible trading and flexible staking, then you should definitely go ahead and check out Binance.com. This way you will be able to make money and stake crypto really easily. Go ahead and check out Binance.com, which is the world's leading crypto platform, and start staking now. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.